Fellow crafters, it's me. Welcome to today's meeting. Have a seat, don't be shy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make an awesome mug in minutes. As always, I'm joined by my talented and humble sidekick, my Cricut. Let me tell you, this big guy is gonna be in overdrive this holiday season because I have been making all kinds of personalized gifts and festive decor, and I have no intention of stopping. Just full steam ahead, crafting. My schedule is completely clear. Actually, it's full of crafting. I made Kwanzaa cards, Christmas cards, Hanukkah cards, wine bags. I made ornaments, mugs, and this beautiful poinsettia hair clip. I know it might be controversial, but I think mugs are better than glasses. There, I said it. Mugs have little handles. They're a nice weight. They're heavy but not bulky, and you can personalize them. Okay, I know you can personalize glasses too, but it's just really fun to personalize mugs, so I'm excited. I'm gonna make this mug that says Baja Mug, and it's a pun because I'm a mom and we love puns. And now our nice little robot friend, the Cricut, is gonna cut the vinyl for us. I found the design in Design Space, so all I have to do is say make it. So I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna choose, I've got my design all set up, and I'm gonna choose vinyl. Now my friends, we weed. I find it easier if you stick it on the mat to weed. This part is kind of meditative. If you ask me, weed on, weed off, for all my Karate Kid lovers. Now we're gonna transfer the design to our mug, and this part always seemed really hard, but the truth is it's super easy and satisfying too. Okay, so we're gonna use this tool to transfer. And here we go, it's all done. Now for the finishing touch, candy, because using a mug for only liquid is so last season. Candy mugs are the future. And I always have a bowl of candy nearby because if I didn't, that would be boring, right? I really want to show my friend that I'm giving this to that I care. So I'm just really filling it up. So I'm really excited to give this as a gift. So we'll add a little gift tag and we're gonna just tie this on. So actually I'm gonna send this to my mom because she loves to drink tea and she doesn't like candy.
Candy mugs are the future.
So you know what? I'm going to just eat it myself. I feel like that's a good solution. And there's just enough candy for me to eat for the next 10 minutes. Happy holidays, everyone. I hope you make all these projects with me and we can share our holiday joy.